Alright, so today I'm going to give you a basic tutorial of the Libby app. So the first question they will ask is if you have a library card. You will select yes. And then if you've used Libby on another device before, you can transfer your data over to your new device. Or if this is your first time using Libby, you can just tap on the search for a library option. I find that is the easiest option. Then you will enter your zip code, or you can type the library name or your city. I'm just going to put in our zip code, and our library pops up right at the top. It's under the Digital Library of Illinois, so you will tap that option. Next, you will tap the Sign In with My Card option. If you don't have a library card yet, you will want to stop in and get one first. Then you will tap again on Clifton Public Library there at the top to acknowledge that's your library, and then enter the barcode number on your library card. Then you'll hit Next and enter your PIN, which is typically the last 4 digits of your primary phone number, or you may have added your own custom password. If you're not sure what your password is, you can ask a librarian. Once you've entered that, hit Sign In. And then it will show that this is your library card and you will hit next, or you can rename your card if you would like. I'm just going to hit next. Now it does give you the option if you would like to read with your Kindle, or if you are on your mobile device, you can just skip that option. Now it will show you some current items that our library has access to that you can scroll through and browse just to see what you would be interested in. There's also digital magazines, audiobooks, and so much more. There is an option at the lower left to hit the magnifying glass and search for a specific title or author. You can also filter right here with this 3-line item button here, and you can also sort by just audiobooks, items that are only available right now, or so many other filters available here. But I'm just going to show these titles, and once you find something that you would be interested in, you can hit borrow next to that item. If it's available now, you'll be able to hit borrow. If it's not available yet, you can request it or request that the item is added to our collection. So I'm just hitting borrow, and then I'm going to hit open audiobook. And here you will be able to play the book. You can also come to the top here and change the speed. You can have them read it a little bit slower or faster, whatever you prefer. And then once you hit the back button, you can look here at the bottom again, and this stack of books shows you what you currently have checked out. You can return items early, otherwise they will automatically disappear after their due date. It does show here this item is due in 21 days. It also shows you how long the audiobook is. If you wanted to return it early, just tap on Manage Loan and then tap Return Early. And then you'll hit Return and it will disappear out of your shelf. You can also go here on the bottom right and it will show you items that you had recently checked out. And then here, if you tap on this house icon, that just brings you back to the home screen. And this middle icon here at the bottom just shows you what cards that you have. You can add other library cards if you have one from more than one library. If you used to use the Overdrive app, you can sync your library from that app over to this one, as the Overdrive app will be ending soon and Libby will become the primary, other than the Cloud Library app that we also are partnered with. Just keeping that in mind. And if you're not sure on something within this app, you can get some help and support within the app. Or, of course, you can always ask us questions at the library as well. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.